Hello, boys and girls, and good morning. We are doing kind of a prepper Bob this morning. Uncle Al or Die Bullfrog 79. If you like and subscribe. I'm having the shakes. I took some medication, so I'm all right. So don't worry. Shakes, pain, more medication. Always enjoy waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Watch a little YouTube. Now, this video is 12 items from the supermarket that a prepper needs. All you college students out there, all you beginning preppers, uh, single people, mostly women. It's strange. Nowadays, women can't cook. Okay? And also, this is for LA prepper. Because if you've seen what he's been eating, it's going to be a little scary. Okay, first one. It comes from this wonderful book, Good and Cheap, by brain fart today, from Miss Brown. Try to get it. It's a very good book. And this list comes from there. You want to buy bananas. Everybody likes bananas. And you can make so many things with bananas. Second, you want to buy peanut butter. Okay, I showed you in my last video a big jar of peanut butter. All right. 3, frozen or dried fruit. Nice thing about dried fruit, lasts forever. You can buy it in bulk. It's very good for you. You could stew it, rehydrate it in hot water, and have it for breakfast. Or if you're like me and want to get a fast smoothie, add yogurt, add frozen fruit, blend it really quick. Number 4, yogurt. Remember I told you I'm making a smoothie? Well, you could add plain yogurt into a blender, add your frozen strawberries or frozen blueberries or whatever kind of berry mix you like. Blend it, easy as pie. Don't have to go over to that Jamba Juice or smoothie shop and pay, what, $5 for it? You can make it for $1. Okay, lime. Not lemon, lime. Why lime? You use it for cooking, use it for seasoning, use it in all other things. It's a prime ingredient. It's less than lemons. Lemons, you got to know what you're doing, but lime's easy for everybody. Okay, honey. That's number 5 was limes. Number 4 was yogurt. Number 6 is honey. And on honey, you want to make sure you get pure honey and not that weird, I don't know, corn syrup stuff. There's a lot of fake honey brands out there. Even the Little Bear, that's not real honey. Unless it says real honey on it by USDA. Okay? Because a lot of honey companies, because of the death of bees, have making fake honey or blended honey. Yeah, I always like to find out that my honey for my diabetes is actually corn syrup, which is a no-no for people with diabetes. As Hubble's cap, it's not very good for us. Coconut. You want to get a can of coconut milk, coconut oil for cooking, and coconut flakes. That's for baking and sweetening. But you could use other things. I like coconut flakes. So that's 3 items of coconut, and that was number 7. 7. Okay. And number 8. Let's see. 8. More yogurt. This time, not regular plain yogurt, but Greek-style yogurt. You want the thick kind, okay? And not the fake kind. Number 9. Let's see. 9. Fresh berries. Go to the grocery when it's in season. Right now it's strawberries. So get a lot of strawberries and eat them. Enjoy them. Berries you can put in, like I said, smoothies. You can put in salads. You could eat them. You can cook with them. My favorite is a reduction of fresh berries and chicken. A lot of people don't know when you add savory to sweet. And like, wow, this is a really good chicken. Yeah, because I added reduction sauce to it. And people like, what the hell's reduction? Also, you lose weight on it. And a lot of people like, what? All right, kiwi fruit. Little green things. You peel off the tough skin, and you have this lovely green fruit. I cut them up long. And if I buy too many of them, I dehydrate and make great chips. I have a whole bunch all over the place. So, red and green grapes. Now, I tell a lot of people you want to get, like in the morning, a little yogurt, a little cereal, chop up some berries, some kiwi fruit, some red and green grapes, and there's your breakfast right there. It's very healthy, very important. And also, you can use grapes for all sorts of things. And it's a nice snack. And that was, I don't have 11 fingers, so you add one more digit to that, okay? And number 12, I don't have two more fingers, so you add two more fingers to this. Jams and jellies, okay? And that should cover it. That's 12 items from the supermarket that a prepper or college student or any single person, women, needs to stockpile, put in the pantry, put in the refrigerator. If you have these basic items, you're in a good start to learn how to cook. And stop eating processed foods, takeout, the breakfast burrito and donut. Yeah, you can make a lot healthier stuff at home, tastes better, in the breakfast burrito. Okay, you can make the same burrito at home that tastes 100 times better than the one you pick up at the truck stop or 7-Eleven for $10. Donut and a burrito. No. Okay, well, it's getting to 8 minutes, so I don't want to go over my time. Like and subscribe to Die Bullfrog 79, and I'll catch you next time.